Hi guys, my name is Rohan Kapur. I'm the founder of Build Your Own Brand BYOB. Thank you for keep on watching our videos so far. If this is the first video you're watching, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We have a bunch of information around resumes, LinkedIn, interview preparation, personal branding, video resumes, and we keep on doubling down on these topics. So one of the topics I'm going to talk about today is another called the video resumes, things that you should avoid in a video resume. All right. Now, a video resume in my earlier videos, you can go to the channel, check it out. I talked about the basics of video resume, why is it important, what should be your script like, etc. But today I'm going to cover in detail what something that is a big no-no for a video resume. A video resume, just to recap, is an additional thing you send out while applying for a job. Now, what you should avoid in a video resume is a lengthy introduction. Because when it comes to lengthy introductions, you should always talk about that in your interview. All right, when you're cold DMing, applying, sending an email or sending a resume, I've talked multiple times about how crisp and to the point it should be. Same with a video resume, 15 to 30 seconds. So when you start recording, don't go into a monologue about yourself, because before you realize it, the camera would have hit 1.5 to 2 minutes and no one's going to see it. It's a very similar use case when it comes to designing your resume and keeping it one page. The other aspect is a video resume is more to get an insight into your communication ability and what all can you bring to the table in value addition with your domain expertise. Now, don't take this as a personality interview, all right? And you basically telling about your personal interests all the time. What do you do besides work? You enjoy drinking, smoking, or playing golf, etc. That is not the agenda of the video resume. So focus on staying on point, that this is a professional setup, and do not get carried away with too much personal information. Now, invest in a good camera. Everyone has a smartphone, everyone has a good camera, but there are certain cameras that are better. So if you're recording a video resume and you probably have an older smartphone, or you have your friend has a better smartphone, or you have a better video camera at home, use that for that. All right, if it comes to be, borrow it, because poor video, you only send the video resume once, you record it only once. So poor video quality is a big turn off. Do it in proper lighting, preferably between the time of 8 to 11 in the morning or 3 to 5, because that's the most optimal timing for natural light. But invest in a maybe LED light from Amazon, and that will be super helpful because it adds in better video quality and chances of getting hired. Now, the other two things that I feel like I should also do a lot and I advocate a lot, but when it comes to the day, I do. Lack of enthusiasm and rambling speech. This is something that will take practice, all right? So whenever you are sitting down to record your video resume, ensure that you're think about something happy right before recording, all right? Or fake it for those 30-40 seconds, all right? Getting into video content has been a difficult journey for me as well, but practice makes me perfect. My first video till now, I have come a long way and I will keep on improving. Maybe there are some mistakes I'm making while I'm doing this, but I like to give it in one go. So same goes for you. Keep the enthusiasm high. Now comes the rambling / disorganized speech. The only way to kind of crack that is practicing a script beforehand. Practicing something, saying something before you hit the record button. Do it maximum 5 times before you start recording, because that will really help you, and the first shot you give will probably be the shot you want to. So these are a couple of points I wanted to highlight while you're making your video resume. Ensure you don't have these sort of red flags over there, because the whole idea of a video resume is to add more ammunition to your candidature and not kind of distract from your domain expertise. So in case you end up sending a wrong video resume, you probably lost out on the value add you were planning to get from your candidature. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know about more about our services, what we do, please visit our website, see our channels, see us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. You'll find a bunch of information about our services and happy to help you out.